I think that just is. Oh! It's all over. John Jimeno, one-punch knockout, flatlines.
Matapos dispatsahin ang tigasing Hapon na si Shu Nakazawa via second round knockout sa mismong baluarte nila sa bansang Japan, at ma-upset din ang pinagmamalaking prospect ng bansang Mexico na si Carlos Ornelas via 7th round TKO.
I think that just is. Oh!
Ay sa Amerika naman nagpunta itong Pinoy na alias Disaster, ang tubong Paranaque na si John Jimeno. Kakasahan niya ang undefeated rising star ng Amerika na si Alejandro. Tila balak gawing pampataba lang ng kartada itong si Jimeno. Kung titignan mo naman kasi ang kartada nitong Pinoy, ay paniguradong iisipin talaga ng mga kalaban na pagkain lang si kabayan. 20 wins with 12 losses lang naman. Kumpara dito kay Alejandro na may malinis na kartada na 11 wins, 0 loss, 10 via knockout. Kaya malaki ang kumpiyansa ng kalaban na easy win lang itong si kabayan. Lalapain sa harap ng kaniyang mga kababayang Amerikano. Pero ang inaakala ng kalaban na magiging easy fight lang itong si Jimeno ay isang malaking pagkakamali dahil dito niya nalasap ang bangungot sa kaniyang karera.
Oh!
Nadungisan ang malinis na kartada ni Alejandro. Nangyari ang kanilang laban noong November 23, 2019 sa MGM Grand, Las Vegas sa Amerika. Undercard sila sa labang Wilder versus Ortiz. Halina't sabay nating balikan ang pambihira at nakakabilib na laban ni John Jimeno kontra undefeated rising star ng Amerika na si Alejandro.
Alejandro in the red trunks with gold trim. Jimeno in the Filipino colored trunks. Vegas being joined with Felix de Jesus.
He's fighting this veteran who a sneaky right hook. There.
Jimeno has a really stocky build too.
Because they love Pacquiao so
They
much.
love Manny so much. Jimeno missing with a series of punches just now. His corner imploring him to move side to side a little bit more.
Jimeno knocked out Toko.
Oh, down goes Alejandro!
With that same shot, he KO'd Toko Khan. So a quick shot. He connected.
Let's see if Jimeno could capitalize on this, showing that Pinoy power right now in those punches. He's coming forward. Big hook there. Exchanging now on the inside. Alejandro moving back. Everything's okay. Keep calm, keep calm. Jimeno continues to move forward. Throwing punches. Alejandro smartly covered.
Alejandro's arsenal.
Yeah, and he doesn't want to get caught coming in because he is rushing in with these punches. He's throwing everything in.
He felt the punching power right away.
8 rounds scheduled in lightweight division. John Jimeno off to a good start.
Step up in competition. You see how this. He'll show some more, Alejandro.
Good exchange there by both these guys. Alejandro,
To be very careful.
he's going to want to settle in. He doesn't want to be too overzealous, run into something big. Alejandro being very methodical, cautious too with the punches that he does throw. Doesn't want to get caught again with any big.
It should have happened in the first round, but he already tasted the canvas, Alejandro, so he has to pick up his pace.
First round because Alejandro is moving really well. Jimeno doing a good job of keeping his foot on the outside of Alejandro's lead foot. Both fighters exchanging. Alejandro doing a good job of slipping punches as they're working on
The rest of the round.
So come down to the final seconds of this round number 2. Good exchange there. I have a feeling that he might not be getting these rounds because of his activity.
Regaining it. He saw a little more in the second.
Good exchange just now. 1-2 miss.
Trying to maintain that loss column in 0 is Alejandro, but he has a tough cookie now here.
It's a big challenge for him, suffering that knock at this point.
And it's an 8-rounder, so in the judge's eyes, you want to just basically start working a little harder than your opponent.
Alejandro doing a better job of making Jimeno fight at his pace, but his punches are... It's good straight there by Alejandro. We start out the fight.
He will get that first round 10-8 for Alejandro. As of now, it looks like he's been behind in this fight.
Good little feints here from Alejandro.
Yeah, seeing Jimeno, I don't know how he has 12 losses.
Records are deceiving though, Felix. It's coming to the final 10 seconds of round number 3. Jimeno coming forward. Alejandro doing his best to evade the step up for Alejandro in this fight. So we begin round number 4 here at the MGM Grand in Las Vegas.
You'll get to him. Let's see if it's true.
Good counter and slip there. Missing his right was Alejandro. Gets tapped by the power jab.
Jimeno was doing much better inside. Now he's taking it outside, and that's Steve wants to fight.
Yeah, this is his fight right here. Over aggressiveness can work against you. Needs to be careful. Alejandro does have 10 knockouts to his credit in 11 fights, so needs to be wary of the power.
Of course, a big night for both boxers here at the MGM. They want to show.
It's keeping Jimeno at bay.
Yeah,
good series of punches there from him. Jimeno not as overly.
Now, doesn't want to feel that.
Alejandro digging to the body. 3-punch combination.
Alejandro to win this fight.
Well, he's on his way there. If you give him the last round, good straight just now. And then this round he's doing really well. He's getting back in there.
He would. The best we've seen from him in a while.
The story to Garcia, the family, here at the MGM Grand. Alejandro fighting his way back into this fight. Not allowing Jimeno.
First round. Trying to pick apart Jimeno, slowly but surely.
Alejandro very methodical with his punches. Look at that, just evaded 6 punches there.
No, there's skills. There goes Jimeno bobbling his head, making believe he's hurt. I don't think so.
It's over the course of these 5 rounds, going to the body with that straight. Could be a contributing factor as to why Jimeno has slowed down a bit.
His hands are a little down on Alejandro. That could be
yeah, I think that
dangerous.
just is. Oh!
I told you!
I don't think he's going to get up, Felix. It's all over. John Jimeno, 1-punch knockout. Flatlines. Alejandro here at the MGM. Oh my God.
He keeps him up high, and then that right came out of nowhere, and oh my God, his nose is broken.
His nose is bleeding. Oof.
What a shot! Jimeno, a veteran, comes up with that right. Gets a
John the Disaster